International oil prices jumped sharply overnight, supported by a surge in U.S. fuel consumption ahead of Hurricane Milton's sweep across Florida, along with Middle Eastern supply risks and signs of potential growth in energy demand from both the U.S. and China. Prior to this, U.S. crude oil futures had fallen by more than 5% over 2 consecutive days. Following the rebound, prices need to hold above the key moving averages on the 4-hour chart to target $76.64 and $77.44. However, if prices face resistance near $78, there could be a retreat below the moving averages, seeking support around $74.22 and $73.22. If the hurricane's impact escalates, there's a possibility that oil prices could challenge the weekly high of $78.45.